Hello, everyone. Again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying that this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Also, for those that don't know me or don't know anything about this channel, on this channel, we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, personal and business credit. So please subscribe to the channel. We drop like 5 to 6 videos a week. So definitely, you would not be disappointed with by subscribing to this channel. So now we're going to make a quick video. We're talking about Cenntro. The markets is about to open for the first time because the markets were definitely closed because of Good Friday on last Friday. And now the markets are open and it's time to get down to the get down for the week. We're getting geared up closer with Cenntro for because soon we should be receiving the audit reports. And although people like myself are making these videos, nothing is really going to jump out to the magnitude that we wanted to until Cenntro released their 4th quarter 2021 audit reports. Although they are doing a number of great things as a company, until they release those audit reports, it's going to be a rocky road for Cenntro. So right now, let's talk about the markets here. And as you can see, let's take that down. As we can see, on Thursday, the markets opened at $1.77. The high was 185. Currently, after hours, we are at $1.72. So definitely we are down. We have a market cap at 454.59 million. So definitely we are down as of we speak. So let's go into an article by NASDAQ. And with this article, it's a quick article. EV investors go big or go home with Cenntro stock. So let's talk about what's going on with the Cenntro stock. The markets will be open soon. And as you can see, we are definitely down in the AH. So we are definitely down as we speak. And that's not a good thing. Maybe the markets are down, period. We don't know until the markets open in 7 minutes. And that's one thing when you are doing a live video in real time, so much can transpire. So before I end this video, so we'll probably be on for like 7 more minutes. I'm gonna try to keep this like a 10-minute video. We'll see what the markets end up doing. And this is what it says. It seemed like a fever dream now, but online lingerie seller Naked Brand Group transitioned into Cenntro Electric Group Limited not long ago. Today, CENN stock is actually worth invested in as long as you fully understand the potential pitfalls. Even while the COVID-19 pandemic participated a shift to e-commerce, Naked stock performed poorly. It could barely stay above $1. This meant that the listing from NASDAQ exchange was a possibility. Not only was it a possibility, they were in a phase where it was probably going to happen. All right, thankfully, there has been a change, and Naked Brand is now Cenntro Electric. There's a new business model, a new stock ticker, and most of all, a new hope that the company's investors can book some nice profits in the end. All right, come on. Now my computer act like it want to freeze on me. Let me get this article out. Let's not get wrong idea though. Cenntro Electric is still a fairly small company with a market capitalization of roughly 454 million, and CENN stock is still a low price and volatile asset. So they call CENN stock an asset. An asset is still an asset, even though it's volatile. The risk is apparent here and is not unheard of for the Cenntro share price to move 5% or more in a single trading session. That is unusual for a $2-ish stock. So embrace yourself and please keep your position sizes small. At least we can say that there's no immediate NASDAQ delisting threat, and we have to celebrate the small victories in life. I like this article. This article is something that investors place don't do. They don't talk big towards Cenntro in this light. I do like this article because it's telling you that it's risk, but it's also saying that this may be the way to go. All right. Besides, Cenntro Electric is making a big progress for small company. Already, the company has celebrated 3,600 vehicles delivered, over 20 million miles traveled, and more than 238 patents granted. Moreover, Cenntro is certified in 32 plus countries and is shipping out to 16 plus countries and has at least 6 assembly plants. Plus, as investor place contributor Alex Sararis points out, Cenntro Electric committed to produce 20,000 vehicles this year. For all we know, you might soon see thousands of Cenntro Metro commercial electric vehicles on the roadways in the near future. I think it's going to happen, folks. Furthermore, Cenntro Electric has a global ambitions. A recent press release indicated that Cenntro is taking a sizable stake in the decidedly electric Eurocentric company. Here's the scoop. Just recently, what's going on with this computer? Cenntro Electric acquired a 65% equity interest in Tropos Motors Europe GmbH, a wholly owned subsidiary of Mazov SC and Co. KG. That's a mouthful, so I'll break it down. Tropos Motors Europe specializes in compact commercial EVs, and you might see them delivering packages or getting people from point A to point B in amusement parks, sports facilities, or even zoos. It makes perfect sense then for Cenntro to invest in Tropos. The two businesses are similar, and Tropos already has a market presence in Europe. The presence release scrutiny quantifies Tropos' market presence. As of March 2022, Tropos Motors Europe has a distribution network of 50 dealers in Germany and 13 importers in Europe across 16 countries, including France, Spain, Portugal, the Netherlands, Belgium, Austria, Italy, Denmark, and the Czech Republic. If Cenntro Electric is going to invest in any European commercial EV maker, this is a good choice as many. Only time will tell, but Cenntro could prove to be highly successful in its foray into Europe's high potential commercial EV market. What can you do now? Naked brand is gone and hardly missed. To be honest, granted, Cenntro Electric still has to prove itself as viable business for the long-term future. However, at least we can say that the company had already delivered thousands of vehicles. Furthermore, the investment in Tropos Motors Europe could prove to be extremely lucrative. In the financial analysis, CENN stock represents a speculative wager on an up-and-coming EV market contender. So be mindful of the risk, but feel free to pick up a few shares while they're still quite affordable. On the data publication, David Mildale did not have either directly or indirectly any positions in securities mentioned in this article. The opinions expressed in this article are those of the writer subject of the investor place publishing guidelines. All right, so we're not going to keep going on to that, but let's go over it on Twitter really quick. Well, before we get to Twitter, let's go. Okay, so we're going to read that in just a second. So when you look here, if you want to purchase your Cenntro, you can do it in Europe. This is the LS200 and the Metro. And this is NIM Motors. And clearly you see that one of the vehicles is sold out, and that's the Cenntro Logistar 200 cargo box truck. That's sold out. And the Logistar 200 van, 32,000 is in stock. So Cenntro also had recently, they had their Drive Electric Earth Day. and this was on the 16th. You could have you could had what I'm trying to say, registered on this platform to get into that. And this is one of the places where Drive Earth Day we would have participated in. All right, so let's go quickly. This is Rocco Modern Invest. He says EU have much problems now. All right. And he also said so much money get burnt now. Okay, so Rock KOs, if you can break that down just a little bit more, then that'll be great. Let's go on Twitter really quick, and then we're probably going to end this video. I just want to make a quick video. I saw that article and I felt that it was something that we definitely could have spoken about. So, but let's come over here on Twitter. If it ever manifests itself for us, thank you everybody who took the time to tune in with us. The markets are now open, and before I end this video, if you stick around with me, we would see what Cenntro is looking like. As long as we over $1 for now, we have time. We have time to get back into the full array of things. We have time to, let's see. Let's do a quick search for Cenntro and see if any new tweets came in. All right, so right here, this is from Rip and Dip. This is from the Earth Day pictures. So let's blow this up. This is early look at Cenntro EV Earth Day at Jack's. Watch my video for full array of pictures. So make sure if you want to look at some more pictures, make sure you look at Rip and Dip. That's the LS 200, and that's the ORV. And they're giving you an opportunity where you can drive both of these vehicles. I don't understand why this computer's just a tad bit blurry. Let's see if we see anything else dealing with Cenntro before we end the video. Cenntro team, let's financials today. Let's meet financials today and vehicles tomorrow. Please provide at least an update. They already basically told you when the update was going to be. All right, this is CENN Trader 8. On the 16th, he tweeted out, this video is what keeps me very optimistic about this company. Along with all of the dealers selling the LS200 in Europe, next will be videos of the LS 400 roll off Jacksonville production line. Bullish. And this is what we already talked about. How so this is from the 15th. So not only was the LS200 van sold out 2 weeks ago, but now the stock is already replenished. Also, the minimum order has brought up to 20, and look closely, we still only, I repeat, only ECV vans that is available now. So we clearly see that the cargo box truck is sold out, and this is for the EU, but the van is back in stock. So if you want to purchase one, you can go to this website in Europe and purchase your very own. So this is Antonio. I just want to make this quick video with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's look at the markets before we end the video also. So the markets are open. All right, the markets are open, and you see blaring red right here. All right, so today we open at $1.73. Right now we're at $1.65. We're going downward, and the market cap is 432 million. So you clearly see what everything is looking like already. This cars looks much better than the first Cenntro cars. Yes, it does. They look good, and they're already being shipped. We already talked about them being on trucks, and they are already being shipped out as we speak. So how my boy sleeps when I buy CENN doing the dips, all for the future. So shout out to, I know that's old tweet, but shout out to Jordan and his wife for having their bundle of joy. So Thank you for everybody that tuned in. I will be coming back with once we get more updates with the stock, and we will see you next time.